Learning objectives. Understand the development of motor carriers and their contributions to the U.S. economy. Be familiar with the different types of firms in the motor carrier industry. Appreciate the market forces shaping the motor carrier industry.
Introduction.
The motor carrier industry played an important role in the development of the U.S. economy during the 20th century, and it continues this role in the 21st century. The growth of this is noteworthy considering it did not get started until World War I, when converted automobiles were utilized for pickup and delivery in local areas. Types of carriers. For hire carrier. Carrier provides services to the public and charges a fee for the service. Private carrier. Provides a service to the industry or company that owns or leases the vehicles, and does not charge a fee, but obviously the service provider incurs costs. Truckload. Provides service to shippers who tender sufficient volume to meet the minimum weights required for a truckload shipment and truckload radier who will pay the difference. Less than truckload. Provides service to shippers who tender shipments lower than the minimum truckload quantities, such as 50 to 10,000 pounds. Market structure. The TL market can be considered as monopolistic competition. With the low entrance to market requirements, individuals can easily obtain equipment and begin operation. The LTL market, on the other hand, is oligopolistic in nature. This is the result of the significant investment needed by these carriers in break bulk and other facilities. Competition. Motor carriers compete vigorously with one another for freight. With the large number of for-hire motor carriers, rivalry between firms can be intense. However, the most severe competition for-hire carriers often comes from the private carrier. Operating and service characteristics.
General service characteristics.
The motor carrier can provide service to virtually any location as operating authority of the for-hire carrier no longer places restrictions on the areas served and commodities transported. Equipment. Many of the motor carrier service advantages emanate from the technical features of transportation vehicle, the high degree of flexibility, the relatively smooth ride, and the small carrying capacity of the vehicle are the unique characteristics that result in greater accessibility, capability, frequency of delivery and pickup, cargo safety, and lower transit time. Types of vehicles. 1. Line haul vehicle. Is usually a tractor-trailer combination of 3 or more axles is permitted on the interstate system to haul a maximum of 80,000 pounds gross weight. States can have different maximum weights on their highway system. 2. City straight trucks are normally smaller than line haul vehicles on dairy single units. The city truck has the cargo and power unit combined in one vehicle. The typical city truck is approximately 20 to 25 feet long with the cargo on it 15 to 20 feet long. 3. Special vehicles. In addition to the line haul and city vehicle classifications, the following special vehicles are designed to meet special shipper needs. Dry van, standard trailer or straight truck with all sides enclosed. Open top. Trailer top is open to permit loading of odd-sized freight through the top. Flatbed. Trailer has no top or sides. Used extensively to haul steel. Tank trailer. Used to haul liquids such as petroleum products. Refrigerated vehicles. Cargo unit has controlled temperature. High cube. Cargo unit has drop frame design or it's higher than normal to increase a cubic capacity. Special vehicle has a unique design to haul a special commodity, such as liquefied gas or automobile. Terminals. Truckload operations might not require terminals for the movement of freight. Truckload terminals normally provide dispatching, fuel, and maintenance services. Heavy less than truckload carriers use terminals for loading or consolidation only. However, as indicated earlier, less than truckload freight operations do require terminals. The following are the 3 types of terminal. 1. Pickup and delivery terminals. Also called satellite or end-of-the-line EOL terminal. Serves a local area and provides direct contact with both shippers and receivers. Terminal for pickup and or delivery of freight on pedal runs. Pedal Run is a route that is driven daily out of the PUD terminal for the purpose of collecting freight for outbound moves or delivering freight from inbound moves. 2. Break Bulk Terminals performs both consolidation and dispersion. Provide an intermediate point where freight with common destinations from the PUD terminals is combined in a single trailer for movement to the delivering PUD terminal. 3. Relay Terminals is necessitated by the maximum hours of service regulation that is imposed on drivers. Drivers were permitted to drive a maximum of 11 hours after 10 consecutive hours off duty. Terminal Management Decisions. Number of terminals. The degree of market penetration and customer service desired by the carrier will help determine the number of terminals to establish. Locations of terminals. Terminals should be located to minimize the distance that freight would need to be backhauled to the break bulk.